This summer, the Armstrong Air and Space Museum gave a child their very first airplane flight. This is Hudson, the winner.
All right, are you nervous?
Kind of.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
All right, here we go.
To make things extra special, Hudson was also the co-pilot for the flight. Hudson is flying in a 1928 Ford Trimotor, the same kind of airplane astronaut Neil Armstrong received his first flight in back in 1936. After landing, Hudson gave interviews and was awarded his certificate for the trip. And yes, he says he wants to go on another flight. Sound familiar?